Thank you for taking the time to watch my channel. I love to DIY to make life a little easier and more beautiful. I hope to inspire you to get your creative juices flowing. I love challenges, so be sure to send me a challenge or two. I would appreciate you giving this project a thumbs up if it inspires you, and be sure to subscribe and click that bell to let you know when I post a new project. Now, let's get into today's project. I am so excited. I went to Dollar Tree today. I haven't been in a while and things are opening back up, so I thought I'd go and just see what they had. One of my projects is making my own little paradise out in the backyard. So I went to the Dollar Tree and here's my haul. So let me show you all the wonderful stuff they have at the Dollar Tree. First, they have these paper lanterns. I was gonna make one, but for $1, these are so cute. Just pop it open, and then you take this little guy and you put him down in here, and put it in a little hole. Put it in a hole. There you go. And the nice thing is it's battery operated. So there you go. I think these are so adorable. I think I'm gonna go back and get some more. Let's see, what else do we have? Some other fun stuff. A pool noodle. It's a pool noodle chair. It's like a chase. So you put the little liner in around the pool noodle. So that'll be fun. Of course, I had to get some water balls for the boys to play with. I'm so excited. Now, oh wait, there's one more thing, a couple more things. Football, fun stuff. And of course this little sand toys, water toy to float for my niece to play with. So excited. Getting a pool, if you can't tell, I'm very excited. And then here comes the fun stuff, the DIY stuff. They had these wonderful shells, so wonderful DIY for sure. And then they had these bigger shells, which I'm super excited about, so this will be fun. Let's see what else. Okay, so they had these cups, and I thought these would be fun. Although I like the insulated drinks, especially I'm here in Texas and it is super hot, and so I probably won't drink out of this because my ice would melt very, very fast. So I thought I'd get these, very cute, and this, and I'll show you a DIY with this and this in an upcoming episode. Let's see, they had these bigger shells, which I'm super excited about. So these are gonna be a fun DIY. And then they had these cute, adorable little stores for, these are flamingos, and then they had some other ones. They are some palm trees, so these will be fun. I'm going to be doing a tiki bar, which I'm so super excited about. I want, so these are going to be perfect for that. Now they have these adorable napkins, but I'm not going to use them for napkins. I have a great DIY in store for these. And another one. So great for $1. Now, they had these really cool food tins. And I've seen them before, but I hadn't really thought about it because I hadn't thought about it before, but these are really cute. So you just take this string and you pull a little bit and string. Then you can see this. Pull in the string. There we go. And you pop it in like that, and there's your food tent. Very cool for $1. Lots of barbecues this summer. So excited. Let's see, what other goodies did I get? So excited. Oh, these towels. These towels are amazing. These towels are so cute. Look how cute these are. Love, love, love. So open this up so you can see. Cute as a towel, but I think we can do a DIY with this. Let's see what else we have. Oh, these scarves. These are just so cute. Cute scarves. But you know me, I like to DIY, so not a scarf. Then they have this other flamingo scarf. So once I figure out what I want to do with this DIY, these scarves, I may go back and get more. I have a couple ideas. And oh, these are very cute. These signs are very cute. I bought 2 of these, so I'm going to probably use one of them as is because I just think they're stinking cute. But I have another one, so I will probably do something with the other one and sand this off and do something fun with this, so we shall see. Very excited. Oh, they have their wall decals. This is going to be a really cool one. This one says, "The adventures begin." So fun. They have these really cute plates. DIY, of course. And they have this. So I will be using this for something fun as well. So that is in that basket. By the way, I love these totes at the Dollar Tree. They're perfect. I can put my project that I'm going to be doing into this basket, and then when I'm ready, I can just go grab it and I have everything in there. So it's really great. We have a butterfly net. Not going to use it for butterflies, but I have an idea for this. Really cute. Pink is one of my favorite colors. Let's see. Oh, some adorable signs. Usually we take these signs and we scrape them off and do our own little DIY with this. But I think this one's going to be perfect just as it is. I might dial it up a little bit, maybe add some jute twine around it or something like that. So I might just put my own little spin on that one. This one's cute. And then, so excited, as I mentioned, I'm going to have a tiki bar, which I'm super excited for. So this sign is going as is, but again, I think I might, I'm not sure if I like this glitter here, so I might take some of that off and do something a little bit different, but I love this sign. So excited. Okay, then we have this little cute little thing here. I love the decals or the cutouts, so I'm going to use those for something. Not quite sure that I'm going to use it as it is here, but cute. Then they have this one. It says, wow. Really cute. The nice thing I like about this, because I'm not sure that I want to put luau, is that these come off really easy. Look at that, so super easy. And then I will be able to use this, cute, all right, and make whatever I want. So I'm excited about that. I got 2 of those. Here's another one. And oh, love this one. It says tropical vibes only. Can't wait to DIY with this. I know they're napkins, but can't just leave things as they are. Then they have these beautiful lays. Again, beautiful colors, and they come in different colors, but these are my 2 absolute favorite colors, pink and teal. This one's more of a blue, but I do like the teal. It's in the teal family, so then do something fun with those. And I got 4 of these umbrella thingies, so I'm excited about that. I got another sign. This one says Aloha. I love the shape of the surfboard. I'm not sure that I'm crazy about all this, so yeah, we might have to do something with that. Okay, they had these cute picture frames, this one and this one. I know exactly where I'm going to put this. Can't wait to show you. It'll be really cute. Okay, and then they had these, which were really cool. These are ice trays. And this one's a flamingo, and this one's pineapple. And they had another one, which was the toucans. Those are really cute. So fun making snacks and things like that. So excited. And then they had these cute little ice cream bowls, cute little spoons. Probably not good to use the spoons, but I got an idea for this too. So can't wait to do that. They had these cutouts. So excited. Let me see if I can find me some different ones. Toucan, the pineapple. They had the lemon, some lime, little leaf, watermelon. So, and they had this toucan, that one. So these are going to be cool. And then they had these flamingos, cute. And last but not least, we have the tiki torches. So cute. They come in really cool colors. I think the other color that came was purple, but I like the green and the turquoise. So I can't wait to use these. Can you tell? I'm so excited. So super excited. Oh, forgot. I got some more stuff. They had some really bright colored flowers. These are gonna look good because I do not have a green thumb, so we will make it work. Here's a yellow one, so cute. Now, they also had these hula skirts, but I'm not gonna use it for a hula skirt. I'm gonna use it for a project that I have coming up that I'm so excited about. Yeah, so super excited. I can't wait to share that with you. And I believe that is all of the haul I have from Dollar Tree today. I'm so glad you stopped by my channel today. I hope some of these items inspired you to go to the dollar store when it's safe and to go get your creative juices flowing and see what you come up with. So please give this haul a thumbs up. I really would appreciate your love and support. And subscribe by clicking the red button below, and be sure and hit that bell to let you know when I upload a new video. We have a